Okay, part 2, Outdoor Adventures in Survival channel here. You see I've put up this net. This net did not come, I should have done it, but with a tripod and just showed y'all. It's like primitive style stuff. And I see mosquitoes hitting the outside of it. But anyhow, the mosquitoes was tearing me up, so I didn't have time to piddle paddle with a phone or any camera. Because did you know that when you open up a screen on a camera or anything, mosquitoes are attracted to it? Okay, now here's the thing. I see a mosquito right up here. You won't be able to see him, but I see him. Be something if I can pick up that. He's wanting to get to me. But you see how white this is? It's whiter than I am. See that right there? And look at that there. See how you can see through that real good? This is part 2. I accidentally hit the button. Bought a whole can. I'm going to just do one side. And probably right around to here. That old barn there. Then I got that old barn. Anyhow, my whole thing is to it where I can be able to see out instead of trying to look through that veil. You know what I'm saying? Like a wedding veil or something over your face all the time. That don't work for me. But there's a mosquito right there. Yeah, you won't be able to see him. I don't think you'll be able to see him. But anyhow, hang in there because watch this here. See it right there? Instantly, because of our eyes, the way our eyes are. Maybe this time I won't hit the buttons. It's just a thing with our eyes, you know. If you take out anything that's messing with your vision there, you will be able to see through it like it's not even there. I'm thinking that has something to do. You know that camo net, camo shooting blind that they got out, where the holes are really small together. And by and be small together there, looking back further from it makes, look at that there, watch that. Now you don't want to breathe this mess in, but yeah, y'all get what I'm talking about here. Now I can think and see out of it. You know what I'm saying? Now don't worry about that side. I want to part toward the house over here. The truck's all right. I might get a little bit right here. We're about out there. You're gonna need a whole can for one side. Well, this side and right there. And that's good enough for me to be able to sit out here when I want to until I fix my porch screened in. And you see it right there? Can of black paint. Look at that. See how good you can see that? Now look at this. Vail. If it was daytime, you'd be able to see more of what I'm talking about. Watch that. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about right there. And I probably didn't. I'm on my knees down here. But yeah, I probably didn't tell you. I'm gonna finish. It's like I'm in a rush because the night's coming on. That and I'm trying to let the The air is starting to die down, the wind is, and this paint is awful tough on me right now. Well, not tough on me, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're gonna let this dry tonight, and tomorrow I'll be able to see out of the thing. I thought this idea would work, and it sure did. Sure did. Cause that's the way. It's hard to tell there. Y'all get the gist of it there. See that there? There. Look at that. Look at that. You can see where I stopped toward the bottom here. See the ground? You can't see the ground. See what I'm saying? There's the ground there, yeah. Black paint. Or dark paint. I'd say go. I'll try to always go with black. Dark blue might work. But yeah, I'd put this up primitive like. That's like jute cord. Jute cord is used in primitive ways. And this is just sticks put together on the ends. See, it didn't come with the hardware. I didn't pay but $11 or something from this. They have to like, they sell it to you, but they're like, oh, hey, we just wish you luck on the rest of this. You know, we sell it to you, but they probably won't even give you luck on it. They won't even wish you luck. But yeah, you see what I'm talking about. There and there. This is Outdoor Adventures in Survival. Over and out. See y'all next time.